What's up, guys? This is Simp Trades, and on today's video I'm gonna tell you guys about a poor man's covered call. Basically, a poor man's covered call is like owning 100 shares for nearly half the price. So the one I entered today, I'm gonna show you, is ticker symbol MARA. And my entry was 980, and we're already up on the day 235. And the poor man's cover call, for this to work, you want to have a bullish mindset on the stock, and you want to look 1 to 2 months out, or more if you want. So I went with the March 19th, and the criteria you're going to want to look for is something in your price range. What I look for is 1,000 and under, and you also want to look at the delta symbol. So right here, this is a 0.90. I like to look from 0.85 to a 0.95. And then the other benefit of running the poor man's cover call is you can sell against it. And for this ticker symbol, you can do it weekly, and you can gain a credit. So when you look here, click the sell symbol, and you would see you would get another $245. So that just reduced the price of you buying into this to begin with. And like I said, you can do this weekly, and basically you don't want it to hit the strike price until expiration date. You want it to fall below. And then you can run this method every week until you reach your long call, which is when you originally bought in. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this helps.